Tired of seeing that annoying sync paused error in Chrome and losing access to your precious bookmarks and settings? Let's get that fixed right now. First things first, let's check your Google account connection. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the Chrome browser. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, look for a button that says Sign In. If you see it, that means you're currently signed out. Click on it to sign back in using your Google account credentials. This is usually the culprit, so cross your fingers. If signing back in didn't do the trick, let's dive into Chrome's settings. In the top right corner, click on the 3 vertical dots to open the Chrome menu, then click on Settings on the left sidebar. Click on Sync and Google Services. On the Sync and Google Services page, click on Manage what you sync. Ensure that Sync Everything is toggled on or that all the individual sync options, like bookmarks, history, and settings, are enabled. If anything is off, turn it on. Still no luck? Let's try a simple browser restart. Type Chrome Restart in the address bar and press Enter. Chrome will automatically close and reopen, hopefully clearing up any temporary glitches that were causing the sync problem. If none of those options worked, let's clear your browsing data. Go back to Chrome settings, find Privacy and Security and click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Change the time range to all time and click the Clear Data button. Be aware that this will sign you out of some websites. And that should do it. After following these steps, your Chrome should be syncing like a champ, keeping your browsing experience seamless across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.